how to delete our second account on Instagram. So if you want to delete your second account or another account on your Instagram, then first you need to have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram. After opening, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and from your profile you need to go with the upper left, which has that username. And from here, if you have another account, then make sure that you're logged in to that another account or that second account. So go and log in to that second account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And after that, go with the account center. Under account center, go with personal details. From the personal details, you can go with account ownership and control. And from here, go with deactivation or deletion and select your Instagram, and here select deactivation or delete. If you want to delete, then you can go with the second option, which is delete, which will delete all of your Instagram photos, your account, your profile, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. So go with continue, select a reason why you would like to delete your account, and then go with continue again, and scroll down and then go with continue, and it will ask you to enter your password. So enter your Instagram password, and after entering your password, your account will be deleted. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.